Well, all right, hey, welcome back. Today we're going to talk about being more efficient with our electrical inventories. And what that's going to look like is we're talking about our electrical parts that we use for repair and for maintenance or for planned outages. We want to be better organized and have a proper inventory management system. It is crucial for good, smooth running down the road. Today, first we want to look at our inventory efficiency, being efficient in that. One way to do that, or the key way to do that, is to know your equipment. If you know your equipment, if you know your electrical distribution equipment, you're more likely to know where the weak links are or where the maintenance key pain points are. You'll know your equipment, you'll know more about what maintenance equipment to keep on the shelf, what parts to have in stock. So being knowledgeable of your equipment, how it runs, how it distributes power, that will help you down the road with that. Also, we want to look at just basic housekeeping. You know, you don't want a landfill or a dump in your maintenance area, your parts area. So some stats that we had put together about landfills. Did you know that in the United States that 1.4 billion trucks, 1.4 billion pounds of trash per day hit landfills in the United States? It takes 18,500 trucks per day to move that trash. And if you stack those trucks with that trash, you stack them on top of each other, it would equal 173 Empire State Buildings tall. 1 year's worth of those trucks end to end would equal 12 laps around the earth at the equator. And lastly, 5 years worth of trucks stacked or lined up end for end would be the distance from the earth to the moon and back. Pretty wild, huh? I thought so. So bottom line, we don't want our inventory rooms, our parts cribs to look like landfills or dumps. Clean it up, have a better accessible inventory base. Also, which this ties right in there with it, how well do you manage what you've been trusted with? Basically, it's called stewardship. Are you a good steward? And a steward is a person that's been entrusted with the affairs of another or of someone else's property. Basically, a manager that oversees the affairs of someone's property or business. Are you a good manager? Do you have a system in place to where you take the time and set up the system to be able to have good inventory refinement? So to recap and to look back, first of all, we want to look at our efficiency of our inventory. This can keep your distribution equipment running smoothly down the road. Our excess clutter, our landfill, we need to downsize that. We need to get rid of the landfill and get that out of our parts room. And lastly, good stewardship. It's better profit margins in the end, and one of my favorites, it just equals peace of mind. So things to just kind of remember as you're going through these processes to help you with your inventory. You see our link there below to our website if you ever do need parts, or you can just drop us a line at the phone number above. Just give me a call. My name's Pat, Electrical Power. I'd love the chance to do business with you. Thank you.